So the first element that we are going to learn how to use is a heading. Now headings are used to tell the reader what the following content is going to be about. We are going to use a heading to explain what different parts of our web page are going to be about. Now first, we need to make sure that we are inside the body. All visible content on the page needs to go inside the body. Now first, to write our opening tag of our heading, we need to use a triangle bracket. Now in HTML, the computer knows that anything inside a triangle bracket is something important that will help it to tell the page what to look like. So inside of these triangle brackets, we are going to put important information for the computer to read. For example, we have got body inside two triangle brackets here. We are going to do the same for a heading, but we are not going to use the word body. In HTML, we do not write the word heading to create a heading. HTML has a bunch of different elements, which is what these things in brackets are, and they all have different special names so that the computer knows what they are. Now a heading is an H followed by a number. Now the lower the number, the bigger the heading is going to be. So if we have an H1, it is going to be much bigger than an H6. So first we have written our H1. We are telling the computer that this is where the H1 begins. Anything that is between this and the H1's closing tag is going to be part of the heading. Now I just mentioned a closing tag. A closing tag looks like this. It has the name of the element inside of the brackets, but it starts with a slash. Now that slash is going to tell our computer to stop. This is the end of this element. This is the end of this instruction. So inside of our H1, we want to have a heading. I'm going to call this tutorial. Now remember what I said about closing tags. We are going to put a triangle bracket. Look, Replit has told me the answer already. We are going to put a dash to tell it that this is the end. We are going to put an H and a 1. And then we're going to put a closing triangle bracket. So this is like a little box with an H1 inside of it. When we click run at the top of the page, we will see our H1 with tutorial in it appear. You can try this with different headings from 1 to 6. Have a go yourself.